Macaroni and cheese, often referred to as mac and cheese, is a dish that traces its origins to Europe, particularly Italy and England. Here's a brief history. Origins in Italy, pasta and cheese combinations. The concept of combining pasta and cheese can be traced back to Italy, where various forms of baked pasta dishes, such as lasagna, were popular. Pasta Maker's Manual. One of the earliest known recipes for a pasta and cheese dish appears in an Italian cookbook, the Liber de Coquina Book of Cookery, from the 13th century. Popularization in England. Medieval England. In the 14th century, a recipe called macaroons appeared in the English cookbook Forme of Cury, compiled by the chefs of King Richard II. This dish consisted of pasta and cheese, somewhat similar to modern mac and cheese. Elbow macaroni and cheese sauce. By the 18th century, a more recognizable form of macaroni and cheese began to emerge in England, with the use of elbow macaroni and a creamy cheese sauce. Introduction to America. Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, is often credited with introducing macaroni and cheese to America. During his time as an ambassador to France, he encountered the dish and brought back a pasta machine to the U.S. Monticello. Jefferson served macaroni and cheese at his estate, Monticello, helping to popularize the dish in America. Commercialization and modern popularity. Kraft Dinner. In 1937, Kraft Foods introduced boxed macaroni and cheese, known as Kraft Dinner in Canada. This convenient, affordable version became immensely popular, especially during the Great Depression and World War II. Today, mac and cheese is enjoyed worldwide in various forms, from homemade versions to gourmet variations served in upscale restaurants. Macaroni and cheese can have several effects on your body, both positive and negative, depending on factors like portion size, ingredients used, and overall diet. Here's a breakdown of some potential impacts. Positive effects. Energy source. Mac and cheese provides carbohydrates from the pasta, which can be a quick source of energy for the body. Protein content. The cheese and any added ingredients like meat or additional dairy can provide a good amount of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Calcium and vitamin D. Cheese is a good source of calcium and often contains vitamin D, which are important for bone health. Comfort food. Mac and cheese is often considered comfort food, which can have a positive psychological effect, providing a sense of well-being and satisfaction. Negative effects. High caloric content. Mac and cheese can be high in calories, especially if it's made with lots of cheese, butter, and cream. Overconsumption can lead to weight gain. High fat and cholesterol. The dish can be high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can contribute to heart disease if consumed in large quantities. Sodium levels. Many recipes and especially boxed versions of mac and cheese can be high in sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues. Potential for overeating. Due to its palatable nature, mac and cheese can be easy to overeat, leading to excessive calorie intake. Moderation and balance. To enjoy mac and cheese in a healthier way, consider portion control. Eating smaller portions can help manage calorie intake. Moderation and balance. Healthier ingredients. Using whole grain pasta, reducing the amount of cheese and butter, and adding vegetables can improve the nutritional profile. Homemade versions. Making mac and cheese from scratch allows you to control the ingredients and reduce unhealthy additives often found in prepackaged versions. Incorporating mac and cheese into a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients from different food groups can help mitigate its negative effects while still enjoying its benefits. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my updated new video.